Just bought a new Tesla and wondering how to pick the right home charger? Start by comparing charging speeds. Level 1 chargers use a standard outlet but are slow, adding just a few miles of range per hour. For faster, overnight charging, a Level 2 charger like the Tesla wall connector or universal wall connector is the way to go. The Tesla wall connector is perfect if you only have Teslas, while the universal wall connector works with multiple EV brands. Before installation, check if your electrical panel can handle a 40-amp circuit. Don't forget, federal tax credits can help offset installation costs. With the right setup, you'll enjoy convenient, reliable charging at home for years to come.